Do you actually know what habeas corpus means?
Neither did these guys.
I feel like that should be on Harry Potter.
Everything's coming up, habeas corpus.
I'm like trying to take myself back to 8th grade right now.
I'm not 100% sure.
Okay, I don't know that one.
Habeas corpus is your legal right to challenge being detained. It literally means produce the body.
Sounds like a fun evening.
In court. If the government arrests you, they don't get to say, trust us. They have to show a judge and explain why. Let's say you get arrested and nobody explains why. Habeas corpus lets you demand, show the charges, show the evidence, show the law.
Receipts or release me. We're not doing just because I said so.
Without it, the government could hold someone indefinitely without a trial. That's power without explanation.
I had an ex like that.
I think we've all had those. And here's the part people forget. That right can be suspended.
Yeah, that's not cool.
Really not cool. In an extreme emergency like a rebellion or an invasion, Congress can suspend habeas corpus, but that's rare. Because once the government can jail people without explaining why, accountability disappears.
And once accountability disappears, I'm pretty sure my search history becomes a federal crime.
I'm not gonna ask. And when accountability disappears, freedom gets nervous.
I'm nervous. Have you ever heard of a statue being nervous? Well, now you have. Not that you asked, but no one visits me on Thanksgiving. I could use some gravy.
Habeas corpus is not just a fancy Latin word.
Like J-Lo?
No, it's the rule that says power has to explain itself. Learn the words.
Laugh at the system. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hey, look, I know what you're going through, and it's gonna be okay. Yeah, just come here. Come here for a minute. Whoa, 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 too close. You're looking at my skirt.